Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. On this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make your Windows 11 taskbar, which is by default on the center of your Windows, make it to the left of your Windows. So what you have to do, you just click on Start and then find the taskbar settings like this. And then you will find the windows like this, and then you scroll down until you can find this taskbar behaviors. After you drop down this taskbar behaviors, what you have to do is you change this drop down, and then make it to the left. As you can see, I'm now using the Windows 11 with on the left start button like traditional Windows or previous version of Windows. So that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you visit, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.